What if I told you the thing making you sneeze, itch, and wake up congested every morning isn't visible and is living right now in your bed? Yep, your pillow, mattress, even your couch could be home to millions of dust mites. But don't panic, because in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you 9 powerful DIY remedies and hacks that you can start using today to get rid of them without spending a fortune. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of allergies, stuffy noses, or waking up feeling like you didn't sleep at all, this video is for you. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple, effective home hacks. Now let's get into it. Before we jump in, let's quickly understand what we're dealing with. Dust mites are microscopic creatures that feed on dead skin cells. They love warm, humid environments, which makes your bed their dream home. And here's the kicker. It's not the mites themselves, but their waste that triggers allergies. So the goal? Eliminate their habitat. Hack 1. Wash bedding in hot water. One of the most effective ways to get rid of dust mites is by washing your bedding and fabrics in hot water on a regular basis. Dust mites thrive in warm, humid environments like your mattress, pillows, and blankets, and they can't survive high temperatures. By washing items such as sheets, pillowcases, and duvet covers at around 60 degrees Celsius, 140 degrees Fahrenheit, or higher, you can kill both the mites and the allergens they produce. It's best to do this at least once a week to keep their population under control. For items that can't handle hot washing, consider alternative methods like freezing or using protective covers. But for everyday bedding, hot water washing remains one of the simplest and most effective solutions. Hack 2. Freeze your pillows. Freezing is a simple and effective way to get rid of dust mites, especially for items that can't be washed in hot water. Dust mites cannot survive extreme cold, so placing pillows, stuffed items, or even lightweight bedding in a sealed plastic bag and leaving them in the freezer for at least 24 hours can help kill them. This method is particularly useful for delicate fabrics that might be damaged by high heat. After freezing, it's a good idea to shake or vacuum the items to remove any remaining particles and allergens. While freezing won't remove dust completely, it's a convenient and chemical-free way to reduce dust mite populations in your home. Hack 3. Use baking soda on mattresses. Using baking soda on your mattress is a simple and natural way to help reduce dust mites and freshen up your sleeping space. Start by sprinkling a generous, even layer of baking soda across the entire surface of the mattress, making sure to cover all areas. Let it sit for at least 1 to 2 hours, longer if possible, so it can absorb moisture and odors, which helps create a less hospitable environment for dust mites. For added effectiveness, you can mix in a few drops of essential oils like tea tree or eucalyptus before sprinkling. Once it's done, vacuum the mattress thoroughly to remove the baking soda, along with dust, debris, and mite waste. Doing this regularly can help keep your mattress cleaner and reduce allergens over time. Hack 4. Sunlight exposure. Using sunlight is a natural and effective way to reduce dust mites in your home. Dust mites thrive in dark, warm, and humid environments, so exposing your bedding, pillows, and even your mattress to direct sunlight can help kill them and lower moisture levels. Simply place these items outside in strong sunlight for a few hours, ideally on a dry, warm day. The combination of heat and ultraviolet (UV) rays helps eliminate mites and makes the environment less suitable for them to return. Afterward, give the items a good shake or light vacuum to remove any remaining dust and allergens. Regularly airing out your bedding in the sun can make a noticeable difference in keeping dust mite levels under control. Hack 5. DIY Anti-Dust Mite Spray. A DIY anti-dust mite spray is an easy and natural way to help reduce dust mites and freshen up your home. You can make one by mixing equal parts water and white vinegar, then adding 10 to 15 drops of essential oils like tea tree or eucalyptus, which are known for their antibacterial properties. Lightly spray the mixture onto mattresses, pillows, carpets, and upholstery, making sure not to soak the surfaces. This helps create an environment that is less friendly for dust mites while also reducing odors and bacteria. Allow the items to air dry completely before using them again. Using this spray regularly can be a simple, chemical-free way to keep dust mites under control. Hack 6. Lower humidity levels. Lowering humidity levels in your home is a highly effective way to reduce dust mites, as they thrive in moist environments with humidity above 50%. By keeping indoor humidity between 30% and 50%, you can make it much harder for them to survive and reproduce. Simple steps like opening windows for ventilation, using fans, and avoiding drying clothes indoors can help reduce moisture in the air. You can also place moisture-absorbing materials like baking soda or salt in rooms to naturally draw out excess humidity. For even better results, using a dehumidifier can significantly improve air quality and keep dust mite populations under control over time. Hack 7. Switch to DIY mattress covers. Switching to DIY mattress covers is a simple and cost-effective way to protect your bed from dust mites. Since dust mites tend to burrow deep into mattresses where they're hard to remove, creating a physical barrier can help prevent them from settling in. You can use tightly woven fabric or layer clean, thick sheets over your mattress and pillows, tucking them in securely to limit exposure. The key is to choose materials that are dense enough to block dust and allergens while still being comfortable to sleep on. Washing these covers regularly in hot water will further help eliminate any mites and keep your sleeping environment cleaner and healthier. You can also purchase mattress protective covers that zip around your mattress, protecting it. Hack 8. Carpet cleaning with salt. Cleaning with salt is a simple DIY method that can help reduce dust mites, especially in carpets and rugs. Salt works by drawing out moisture, creating a dry environment that dust mites struggle to survive in. To use this method, sprinkle a thin, even layer of fine salt over the surface of your carpet or rug and let it sit for a few hours, allowing it to absorb moisture and affect the mites. Afterward, vacuum the area thoroughly to remove the salt along with dust, debris, and mite waste. While it won't eliminate dust mites completely, using salt regularly can help lower their numbers and keep your living space fresher. Hack 9. Declutter your space. Decluttering your home is an effective way to reduce dust mites, as they thrive in spaces where dust can easily accumulate. Excess cushions, heavy curtains, unused fabrics, and piles of clutter create ideal hiding spots for these microscopic pests. By simplifying your space and keeping only essential items, you make it easier to clean regularly and reduce the buildup of dust and allergens. This not only limits dust mites as habitats, but also improves airflow and overall hygiene in your home. Regularly decluttering and maintaining a tidy environment is a simple yet powerful step toward minimizing dust mite populations and creating a healthier living space. Here's a bonus tip. Vacuum smart. Vacuuming regularly is a key step in reducing dust mites and the allergens they leave behind. Using a vacuum cleaner, ideally one with a HEPA filter, helps trap tiny particles instead of releasing them back into the air. Focus on areas where dust tends to build up, such as mattresses, carpets, rugs, sofas, and even curtains. Move the vacuum slowly over surfaces to give it enough time to pick up embedded dust and mite debris. For best results, vacuum at least once or twice a week and pay extra attention to your bedroom, where dust mites are most common. Consistent vacuuming won't eliminate dust mites completely, but it can significantly reduce their numbers and improve overall air quality. So there you go. 9 simple DIY ways to get rid of dust mites and breathe easier starting today. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below. What hack are you going to try first? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy home solutions. See you in the next video on 10 genius pest control secrets to eliminate pests.